Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.